every Restorsea product has the hatching
Yes,
enzyme in
yes.
it. And this enzyme was released by salmon
What
frying.
does the enzyme look like?
The hatching enzyme itself is composed of over 2,000 proteins. So it's a very complex molecule. And we only can see and have identified 200 of those proteins. But the top protein is called coriolysin. And coriolysin helps the baby fish break down the eggshell membrane. That's what dissolves it during the hatching process. The second protein is called a leucolectin, and a leucolectin, they think, helps protect the little salmon embryo in the egg as it hatches.
But what's the shape of it?
We will go and get you a
Okay.
picture. So the coriolysin is what actually dissolves the eggshell membrane. The leucolectin also has immune properties that protect the little salmon embryo in the eggshell, but also because there's so many different proteins, the fluid contains other proteins and peptides that are evolved to protect and support the little fish. They think that these little proteins that we don't really know and cannot identify also can help calm and balance human skin. What's really interesting is that the enzyme is actually at the same pH as human skin. So
Okay.
because it's at the same pH, it's a natural origin, it's pH balanced, it works in harmony with our skin's pH, and it avoids the triggers that can cause inflammation in more
Oh,
aggressive skincare ingredients. So like glycolic acid is at a very low pH, and so that's why it causes that irritation. Also, in the proteins, they're bioactive, and we think that these proteins cannot identify. They help preserve the living skin barrier and remove only what's necessary. By protecting the skin barrier, it helps reduce transepidermal water loss, or TEWL, which will help the skin. And when you protect the skin barrier, you're helping to maintain the skin's natural defense mechanisms, which helps prevent inflammation.